Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Maths subject. Dear children, which song last class we learned? Yes, comparison song. Let's sing a song. Okay, come. Sit, sit, sit. Sit inside the class. Jump, jump, jump. Jump on the floor. Claw, claw, claw. Claw under the table. Go, go, go. Go far from the table. Come, come, come. Come near the board. Play, play, play. Play outside the class. We are going to learn top and bottom. Top. T O P. Top. T O P. Top. Bottom. B O T T O M. Bottom. Top and bottom. The blue color book is at the top. The blue color book is at the top. The red color book is at the bottom. The red color book is at the bottom. Next. Okay, we are play with the slide. First, we have to climb up to reach the top. From there, we have to slide on the bottom. From there, we have to slide to the bottom. You go and climb up the top and slide to the bottom. Which part at the top? Which part at the top? Yes. This part at the top. This part at the top. Come, let's go and have some fruits. My dear children, see this papaya. We have to see inside. We have to see inside. Where are seeds in the papaya? Where are seeds in the papaya? Seeds are inside. Seeds are inside. Now see that cashew fruit. Cashew has its nuts outside. Cashew has its nuts outside. Where is the nuts in the cashew? Where is the nuts in the cashew? It is outside. It is outside. Let's move to another place. Kids, look. There is a tree, monkey, and a capsular. There is a tree, monkey, and a capsular. The monkey is on the tree. The monkey is on the tree. Where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? The monkey is on the tree. The monkey is on the tree. Next question. The capsular is under the tree. The capsular is under the tree. Where is the capsular? Where is the capsular? The capsular is under the tree. The capsular is under the tree. Look at there. The aeroplane is flying above the cloud. The aeroplane is flying above the cloud. See the kite. The kite is flying below the cloud. The kite is flying below the cloud. Let's go to watch a race. Here is the race between the tortoise and the rabbit. Tortoise and the rabbit. See, there is the finishing line. The tortoise is near to the finishing line. The tortoise is near to the finishing line. Where is the tortoise? Where is the tortoise? The tortoise is near to the finishing line. See the rabbit. It is far from the finishing line. It is far from the finishing line. Where is the rabbit? It is far from the finishing line. Look at the picture. My dear children, see, there is a shark. There is a shark. It is big. It is big. Tell me, how is it? It is big. Okay. Look at the next zebra fish. Look at the zebra fish. It is a small. It is a small. Tell me children. It is a small. Today we have learned keywords. Top and bottom. T-O-P, top, and bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Inside and outside. Inside and outside. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside and outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Inside and outside. On and under. O-N, on and under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Above and below. A-B-O-V-E, above and below. B-E-L-O-W, below. Far and near. F-A-R, far and near. N-E-A-R, near. Big and small. Big and small. B-I-G, big. S-M-A